Want to master data analytics but think it's too complicated? In just 29 hours, you can go from complete beginner to confident analyst. Here's exactly what you need to learn. Data analytics is simply finding patterns and information to make better decisions. Imagine a coffee shop owner analyzing which drinks sell best at different times. That's data analytics. Companies use it to understand customers, save money, and grow faster. You don't need coding skills to start, just curiosity and willingness to learn. This complete 2005 course breaks down into 4 main phases. First, foundations: learn Excel and basic statistics. Second, visualization: create charts that tell stories. Third, tools: master Tableau or Power BI. Fourth, real projects: apply everything to actual datasets. Third, fuels master. Each section builds naturally on the last, so you'll never feel lost or overwhelmed. Data analysts earn solid salaries and job security is high. Every industry needs them: retail, healthcare, finance, tech. The 2025 job market shows 30% growth in analytics roles. You'll develop skills that make you valuable anywhere. Plus, remote work opportunities are abundant in this field. Start with free resources, YouTube tutorials, and practice datasets. Then invest in structured learning. The 29-hour course includes real-world projects you can show employers weekly. Stay consistent, and you'll finish in 4-6 weeks. You can show employers weekly. Stay consistent, and you'll finish in 4-6 weeks. Your future self will thank you for starting now. Subscribe for more AI and data concepts explained simply. Drop a comment telling us which career interests you most.